crank your engines.
It was simply an amazing event. Indy Motor Speedway's first autonomous car race. Students from 21 universities in 9 countries spent nearly 2 years developing software to safely compete with real Indy race cars autonomously at high speeds on the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. The event really is all about the challenge. Industry and students coming together to collaborate and push the innovation boundaries to a new level. Cisco was a proud premier sponsor, and our IoT products are at the core of this competition.
So how did we do it? Well, connectivity was the key. These vehicles are fully autonomous, filled with sensors, but the Cisco portfolio of the wireless backhaul radio, the onboard switch, was able to connect all of the different components on these Dallara AV21 cars. Standard Wi-Fi and 5G weren't going to cut it for the demands of this challenge. These vehicles were going upwards of 150 miles an hour, and they needed an incredibly reliable wireless backhaul that had almost instantaneous transitions from access point to access point. That's where Cisco really shines. Our IoT portfolio with our industrial Ethernet switches, our ultra-reliable wireless backhaul, and our entire management portfolio really helped to bring these cars to life.
Let's take a look at this technology in action. What you see here is a tool from one of our partners, Prism Systems, that visualizes the telemetry data coming off of the Cisco Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhaul radio. As you can see, as the car runs around the track, the wireless backhaul system is continuously tracking the signal strength to all 11 radios around the track. But we're not just using signal strength to decide the current connection as indicated by that solid yellow line. We're also looking at the signal trend as the vehicle moves, making the handoff decision in real time based on what the vehicle is currently doing on the track. If you watch the car while these handoffs are happening, you see absolutely seamless high-speed roaming at about 140 miles per hour.
That yellow line that Matt just showed you, that's zero packet loss, ultra-reliable wireless technologies. And that's what's needed for autonomous operation. Whether you have autonomous trains that deliver more efficient and safer travel, autonomous warehouses and distribution centers that accelerate the supply chain, autonomous manufacturing for safer working conditions and factory efficiencies, everything we enabled and demonstrated at Indy applies across industries to make businesses smarter, safer in the autonomous world.
It really takes a company like Cisco to provide the backbone for such a huge system. This is not something that you would set up in your basement. This is a purpose-built system that enables autonomous operations in all the industries that Vikas has mentioned. This is designed for mission-critical applications. But after deploying this for more than 10 years in many different industries, from autonomous ports to mines to driverless trains, I have to be honest, and the coolest thing ever has been ushering this new era of autonomous racing with my kid in my lap.